Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the realm of masked Aadhaar cards, your gateway to enhanced privacy and security. If you've ever pondered on safeguarding your sensitive information while ensuring accessibility to essential details, you're in the right place. What are masked Aadhaar cards? Masked Aadhaar cards act as a shield, providing an additional layer of privacy by revealing only the last four digits of your Aadhaar number. This ingenious feature ensures that the rest of your information remains concealed, adding an extra level of security when you need to share your Aadhaar card for various places like hotel room booking, car rental service, pubs, etc. The primary advantage of masked Aadhaar is minimizes the risk of unauthorized access or misuse. Now, let's get practical. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to www.myadhar.uidai.gov.in, the official hub for all Aadhaar-related activities. Scroll down and click on the Download Aadhaar option. Input your Aadhaar number, solve the CAPTCHA, and hit the Send OTP button. Make sure to tick the option, Do you want a masked Aadhaar? This step is crucial for obtaining the masked version. If you forget to tick the option, you'll receive the standard Aadhaar card. But fear not, we've got you covered. Enter the OTP received on your registered Aadhaar mobile number, click on Verify and download. Your Aadhaar card is now downloaded, but there's a catch, it's password protected. The Aadhaar letter PDF password is an 8-character combo of the first 4 letters of your name as in Aadhaar, in capital letters, and your year of birth in YYYY format. For instance, if your name is Anish Kumar and your birth year is 1989, your eAadhaar password is ANIS1989. Now, enter your password and click on Submit button. And there you have it, your masked Aadhaar card, displaying only the last 4 digits of your Aadhaar number. One of the primary benefits of a masked Aadhaar card is the heightened privacy protection it offers, mitigating the risk of unauthorized access or misuse. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others who might find it helpful, and subscribe for more informative tutorials. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey into the world of masked Aadhaar cards. Until next time, stay secure, and we'll catch you in the next segment.